You've got 3 trucks in a list. By the end of this video, you'll add, remove, sort, search, and loop them, like a pro. This is JavaScript arrays, the mother of all lists. First, what is an array? Square brackets, comma separated, numbers, strings, dates, objects, any type, all in one variable. And unlike other languages, the length is not fixed. Grow it, shrink it, whenever you want. Every array has an anatomy. The first item is the head, index 0. The last item is the tail, index length -1. Every item is called an element. Its position is called the index. Remember those 4 words. Now, adding elements. Push adds to the tail. Unshift adds to the head. Splice drops one anywhere you want. You tell it the index, how many to delete, and what to insert. 3 moves, total control. Bonus move. All 3 take multiple items at once. Unshift Colorado and Denali. Both go to the front. Splice at index 3, insert Sierra and Canyon. 1 line, many inserts. Removing is just as clean. Pop chops the tail and hands it back to you. Shift kills the head. Splice with a count deletes any chunk in the middle. Your array shrinks instantly. Reordering. 2 moves. Sort arranges alphabetically or numerically in place. Reverse flips head and tail. Careful. Default sort treats everything as strings, so 90 would come before 9. We'll fix that in a future episode. Searching. Index of. Pass it a value. If it exists, you get the index. If it doesn't, you get -1. That's your yes-no check. Found it? Do something. Didn't? Show a message. Looping. For of. Same move you learned with node lists. Each pass, the variable holds 1 element. No index math. No length check. Just clean, readable code that walks the whole array. That's the toolkit. Push, pop, shift, unshift, splice, sort, reverse, index of, for of. 9 moves that unlock hundreds of features. If arrays just clicked, drop arrays in the comments. Like, subscribe. Next episode. Array iteration methods that will blow your mind.